Market's gonna open in less than a minute. All right, got 1 minute to open. Not sure exactly what's gonna happen, but on the way up, like the stop is here. Here's a stop. There's also a reversal. And to the way down, the stop would be all the way up here. For me to go to the upside, my stop would be, man, it's too far. Probably this green level right there. Honestly, if I see a break here for SPY, we're going short. But I think we're going to be more like a long. It's SPY's below 0%. Tesla's above 0%. For the most part, the pattern in pre-market is the same. The entry, I mean, they're both looking like a breakout type of entry. Uh, I don't know which one to go with. SPY or Tesla? Let's see. Tesla. No, I would. If I enter here, it's just me guessing. It's just me anticipating making shit up. Uh, I want to be a patient motherfucker, and I don't care what happens in the beginning. I want to see a nice pattern, a really good pattern that I could put pretty much on my account, which is stupid, but put as much in my account as I can on a good quality setup. Right now, I feel the urge to just trade like, oh, it's breaking out of that. That's an A plus setup, so let's go with it, you know? Oh man, I'm in. Three contracts there, the breakout. I want to see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, all the way to 5%. We might not get it. All right, we're holding two contracts. My stop is below the trend line. From there, I mean, I'm just gonna sit back and watch it, see if it goes. That's 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we get another 1, 2, 3. Seems like this level is causing some trouble. This one right here. The stock to me out, it's fine. Like it's good. Like I'm just trying something out that I saw, that I'm seeing, and it's my job to just see if it works. Right now, I am losing for some reason. Um, I ended up down $9 on that trade, whatever. So it failed. Don't give up. Stick with it. Um, stay with it. This me talking to myself. So ahead of this, what do I see? It bounced off the trend. Is that something I want to trade off of? Possibly something good too. It's not bad. It broke off that this pivot. I don't know if that's considered a nice entry right here. Kind of a bounce. Think about it. Spy's about to break. You could probably trade that. It's either gonna reject. Yeah, it's looking like it's rejecting the 0% line. A break of it would be really good. Stay with it. Patience, focus, experience. My buying power has dropped. I only have 971. 268 is my total, which is very low. That's a great setup. Well, I'm looking at it right now. And I think it's gonna break out or reject the 0% level. It's rejecting. Looks like it's rejecting. Ideally, break that pre-market level would be good. Uh, See it break that, keep going lower. The delta I should be using should be lower than this. There you go. I'm seeing 0% line fail a bunch of times. Maybe I should go with the put. All right, that's my trade right there. I went in here. That's my stop right there. Already failing. Uh, I want to see a 1.2 move. Oh my god, down 39. How? Delta 6, bro. Come on. How am I losing that much? That is crazy. Apply volatility is really high. This expires Friday, bro. Not tomorrow. Not today. Friday. Jesus. So sell one. Come on, dude. Very, very frustrating, bro. Sell one right now because it's moving crazy. So ideally, I'm gonna sell one right there, right here, and then another one here. That was the plan right there. Sell something like this. Already down to shit, bro. 53 down 53. How the fuck? Oh my god, I feel like. Alright. Now you wanna go higher, huh? Fuck, shit, you shifted too fast. Oh, fuck. Don't get mad. Can't get mad at that. I mean, you gotta think fast, bro. Oh man. Failing to go lower, breaks above. The fake out, it's fake way down. Jeez. Fuck. Tesla going higher. Oh, it tricked me into thinking it was going down. Mm. Tesla bounced on the trend one, two, three, four fucking times. That's fucking crazy. And then it did the one, two, three, one, two, three. Spy did the hey, I'm gonna do the touch of the trend, go break down, psych, rip the heck up. Ripped, bro. It just ripped like crazy. I'm not gonna hate. It's just the way it is. I took forever to make a thing. Yeah, messing with the buttons kind of got me messed up. Uh, yeah, I should probably not mess with one, two, three contracts. If I'm gonna go in with two, 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 I gotta get out two, two, two. You know what I'm saying? If I'm gonna get in 5 round contracts, click 5 times. One, two, three, four, five. It's just, it's just something that I should probably apply. You know, I'm not ready for 5 contracts, a two, 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 a six. I shouldn't even be taking 6 contracts. What the fuck's wrong with me? So let me fix that, bro. Cause yeah, why should I take 6 contracts when I shouldn't? When I can't even take five? Like what the fuck? I gotta fix all of them. If I really want to do more, I could just adjust it right there. I could just type it in, bro. I could just type it in. I don't have to, you know, look. All right, can we go higher? Absolutely. Tesla could definitely go higher. To bounce off there. Looks like it's breaking that. Buying power? Nothing. Gotta wait for 1 minute and then I could trade on my phone. So down 44 on Weeble. Just doing down 42. It's terrible, dude. Which is fine, bro. Like that's part of the game. I'm playing. Can't complain, bro. I want to see a beautiful way. What's the setup? What am I looking at? Draw lines and shit. Got this going on. Let's see, man. We'll see. There we go. Now we can trade market orders on SPY on Robinhood. What do I see? What do I see? Hmm. Bounce there, double top. We could do double top. We could do uh bounce off there. You got this right here, man. Like, kind of got this area. You know, are we getting volume there? Pivots. Where are pivots? There's one pivot right here. Oops, all right, it failed to go higher. I mean, reach 5%, which is great. Let me see if I can get some kind of area that it refuses to go higher. Right now, I'm seeing this area to refuse to go higher. It's 3 wicks. To me, pretty bearish. I want to see it break that trend. Give it some time. Give it some time. See if it opens. All right. Buying. There's some buying pressure. A little bit of confluence. It's getting bought up, so never mind. Now it's getting rejected. SPY on the 0% line. What does it want to do with that? I don't know. SPY did break above pre-market high, and then Tesla rejected pre-market high. Interesting. So SPY broke it, Tesla just touched it and rejected it. I don't like that pattern of what I was trying to do. Very interesting pattern though. I was trying to go down. Like these wicks were bearish, and then these wicks became bullish. And the latest one is the truest one. This is true until this is true. Pattern, if that's going to be another um, pivot, then we can use it. I'm going to wait patiently for a good setup. 3 contracts, 369. Double top, I don't know. Lower high. This is kind of a pattern. Alright, to me, a lower high is good. It's pretty bearish in my opinion, unless it breaks higher. We're ready to get out. So 1, 2, 3. Back to 0%. It would be nice. I would love that. No, it's not even moving 3. Get out full or get out by 1. You tell me, Mark. I don't control you. I don't control you. All right. Sounds good. I'm just watching. If I'm wrong, I accept losing whatever amount I am gonna lose. $70, fine. I was trying to chase more than that. 1, 2, 3. Not gonna do the math for that. Dude, I don't care. I am putting my money where it has to be. All right, get out. Cool. Just like that, we get out. No hard feelings. We lost maybe $100. No, we lost 46. It's fine. Waiting to lose that. Where do we go from here? Well, it's 5%. It's a little too high for me. I'll have to see a pattern show up. If it breaks higher, retest the pre-market high, then okay, that's the pattern. Well, we're gonna have to wait and see. Break that trend possibly as well. Confluence. Buy. bounced off of 0%, man. What do you want to say? One, two, three. That's a full move for the scalp. What's up? It's high. Can it continue higher? Yes. Should you fade this? Not really. I don't think it's a fade move. It's more like it's climbing, bro. To me, this doesn't seem like a fade. Looks strong. From the beginning, it looks strong. Ooh. It's still strong. Still see it push up higher. It's done 10% plus moves in the past weeks. Very volatile. I'm not gonna try to fight it. Am I willing to risk another $40? Because it seems that's what I'm losing on average. Am I willing to lose $40 to try to make fuck, I don't know, three contracts, 40, losing 40, three contracts, I could make 40, 40, 40, maybe 360, maybe. Yeah, risking 40 to make $720, why the heck not? Nah, this is a breakout, bro. This is a breakout. But how do we do this breakout? We retest it. SPY kind of has a retest already. IV is absolutely insane. I don't even want to trade because of that reason. Disgusting, bro. Spreads are disgusting. Tesla right now is gonna fake breakdown and then take off. Yes, we do see a lot of resistance here. A lot of it. A lot of resistance in this area. I mean, yeah, we can short it. Boom! What the fuck? Oh, I overpaid for that shit for sure. There we go. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. Ah, I bitched out. All right, I bitched out. Yeah, I made the money back that I lost, but I did terrible there. I didn't follow the plan whatsoever. I just scalped 50 cents probably. I went way too big, got like 1,100 and something that I betted, and I only made the money back plus $10. Like it's lousy. But did you see that? It was a crazy ass move. Like what the heck was that? SPY is doing that too. It bounced. It did the freaking bounce off pre-market again. Like it did it before where it failed and then it tried again and it succeeded. Crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff. For anybody who was trying to do a short on the trend line, they got squeezed really out and they were forced to buy, and I think that's why we got that big old spike higher. Now, is it gonna succeed? Now, is it gonna succeed? Are you succeeding going higher? Let's see. We're gonna see if it bounces. It's failing. Yeah, that was terrible, terrible trade. I took up a lot of buying power, and I only have 1,400 buying power. I mean, this is kind of like a buy and hold area. Hold above 5% all the way to maybe 10%. or fail. Right now, it's showing signs of failing. The buying pressure is strong. Right? It's overall it's strong. Look at these big volume candles. Um, so definitely the sentiment is we're scared of bulls. Bulls are scary. Bulls are kind of like buying up stuff. Shorts are being careful. Like okay, this is probably not the time yet. But I think back to 0% is an all day trade that I can probably do. Maybe something that costs 60 cents from this point right here. Um, I bought a put because I'm impulsively buying and selling. My stop is above this 5%. What I want to see is go back to zero. Go back to zero, bro. Come on. I'm gonna try to get ready for work. I'm gonna put an alert right here. Let's get ready for work. See if it goes all the way down to 0% throughout the day. Oh. So I'm done with this. Today's mistake 4-9 Wednesday. Oh man, it's moving. Part of me wants to get out, but no. Back to zero, bro. Back to zero. Today, forgot to sign into Weeble. Look, the middle is gonna look ugly. The way it's gotta look um, may not work. May not be the pattern. May lose money, but the middle is messy, bro. I don't wanna try to predict how the middle's gonna look. Let it do its thing or stop me out, and you just gotta accept. Stops me out, fine. It's tempting to take the money that it's giving me. Very tempting. I'm up unrealized gains. Unrealized. They're not gains until I sell. And it hasn't given me the move back to go back to zero, man. Come on, let's go back to zero, back to zero. It's possible. Back to zero. Between entry and exit, lots can happen. Consolidation blocks, flags, retest, fade, further, re-entry patterns. All right, we gotta get out. Is it gonna retest there? Possible. Um, yeah, possible. That's a retest. Head and shoulders type of move. Yeah, let's see if we can get a head and shoulders. I'll get back in. Uh, oh man, where? There's a crazy head and shoulders right here. Uh, get in here. That's my head and shoulders, I guess. Jeez, ugly. I mean, that's a good stop. But we are kind of in a stronger market. It's kind of moving this way. Um, could come down. It's kind of bridging or cliffing off. Um, so that's what I'm sensing. It's cliffing off. It's that's expensive, bro. Come on. I re-entered. Huh? Oh, I had the 190. Head and shoulders, possible. Gotta get past this buying pressure area. Do the algorithms see the head and shoulders? Head and shoulders, head and shoulders. Yep. Target is 0% line, bro. That's over. That's the most ideal. It's cliffing off, bro. Come on. Keep going. Let's go. You got to cliff down, down to 0%. I know VWAP is there, but you ain't gonna listen to that, are you? Well, you're gonna bounce and then go where? Because I know you're not gonna break anything. Let's see. I guess you could break this line, but to be honest, I think you're gonna cliff off below VWAP first. Yeah, fail that buy zone. Reject it. Reject that next. Reject the next. Reject the next. Let's go. You gotta reject that next and go lower. Oh man, you guys really want VWAP to function, huh? But it's too early for VWAP. Guys, it's too early for VWAP. Some of you look desperate. VWAP fake out. Let's go. Go. Let me see some selling. VWAP fake out. Break VWAP. Ooh, we're going down to zero. We don't know yet. We could stop out here. I mean, the middle is messy, bro. The middle is very messy. And I got out. I lost patience, bro. All right, we're 40 bucks in. Now we're kind of breaking even between both accounts. All right, are you gonna break that trend or act stupid? If you're gonna break that, you better go higher. To where though? Like, where are you gonna go though? They didn't want you at the top. Price didn't. They didn't want price at the top. They want price lower. See, you failing. I want to go higher. Kind of better than want to see. Let's see. I mean, that is kind of a good pattern. Over 5% already on the day, which is high. SPY would have to also make that type of adjustment. Yeah, the bearish setup kind of gone. For it to be bear, bulls have to fail. For it to be bull, bears have to fail. Bears failed. Bulls control. So bulls have possession right now. It looks like bears are gaining possession. The bull possession is still there. The stop is below the trend line. It bounced now. That VWAP is, I mean, SPY is not really doing much. SPY technically did bounce off the 0% line, which is bullish. That's a bullish approach. It happened while Tesla bounced off VWAP. So very interesting. I didn't see that. I didn't notice that. So that's kind of a confluence in my book. Bounced off VWAP and 0% line. Tesla owning VWAP. This looking like bullish possession. Bulls are technically in control. We could go higher. It's been doing it, and I'm not going to shit on it. I mean, that's a pivot, bro. That's a new pivot. We gotta draw that out. Draw out this pivot, this newly formed pivot, rejecting 5% level again. But also kind of failing to. I mean, this could be it. This could be the head and shoulders you're looking for. We got equal amount of rejections on the left hand side and the right hand side. And then we got lots of pivots in pre-market. I mean, this pivot too, this pivot. So there's a lot more pivots or breaks, trend breaks to the downside on Tesla. Bouncing off 0% again or breaking. No judgment. Anything could happen. Buying power 1168. Bounce off zero again. Breaking the 5% level. Wow. Didn't expect that. If it fails, which I think it is going to, I think that's a good entry. Why is that a good entry? Well, it matches, it reflects the other side, and also now it's not. So, and as we form that double wick, that's pretty conclusive that we might see a way down. Are we closing? No, we still got 20 seconds. Alright, bearish candle forming. Good, good. No, no, I want a reverse hammer. Reverse hammer would be really nice. At this point in time, the reverse hammer. There we go. Bearish right here. That should be bearish. If not, I'll just get out. It's fine. Head and shoulders, baby. I still see it, unless I'm forcing it. Back to zero, baby. Let's go. Back to zero. Back to zero. Come on. Back to zero. Back to zero. Let's go. Back to zero. Mm, 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 mm. That's my stop right there. Ready to stop, ready to get out, whichever one you want. You decide, market. I'm just here putting on the trade, bro. Like I'm just here watching, bro. I'm just an observer, voting. I'm voting for bear right now. I'm voting for bear right now. Unless bulls look better right now, bears look better. Bulls fail to break and just continue higher. Unless you're doing this, the bears are trapping us. The bears look like in control right now. Volume for them could kick in below 229, but it's right. It's struggling. This struggle is sometimes good or bad. So we're waiting. We're seeing what's going to happen. We're just waiting. This is part of the investment. Waiting, watching. I'm gaining experience right now. By watching the market, I'm gaining experience, and this is practice for the future. I'll get better and better and better. Right now, if it breaks below that previous candle high, we engulf that whole candle bearish. So right now, I'm looking for bearish evidence. So we did reach the bottom of it, but did we engulf it? Not yet completely. It did take a bunch of candles to do so, and we grew back up and retest as well. Get out. Too much buying power right there. Too much buying pressure. That's what I'm saying. 47 this week. All right, so Bears, Bulls. Who's got possession? think it's setting up for something. No, which candle? No, I'm not gonna use that candle. I'm gonna use this one. Combine with this one. That should be bullish. Right now, bulls are controlled. They're not letting bears go down. So I'm gonna set up for a call. Yeah, I don't. The bears and bulls are they're really fighting it out. What I've noticed is bulls get moves, bigger moves. Bears get more candles but smaller moves. I do see a trend for bears as well. This one right here. I'm just saying. I see it. I also see that bull. This bull could also fail. Let's see. Alright, broke. Watch a retest. Ooh, it's failing. Fake out. Hey, it did get a lot of volume, so I don't know if it was like a switch hands. Did bears trick here? Should have taken off. Could still take off. Tempted to buy. Tempted to buy. We're buying. And I'm ready to sell until we get $3 higher. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Any obstacles in the way? I mean, there's this right here. There's that in the way. Struggling, bro. That shouldn't be happening. It's a perfectly fine setup. Very easy to understand. And it's not working. It's fine. Not. It's not working. It's fine. Just gotta get out. Pop. Gotta see the pop, bro. Pop. 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 Let's go. Pop. Pop. Boom. People are excited? Are bulls excited? You guys do not look excited at all. Alright, there you go. There we go. Sellers, are they having an effect on you guys? No? Come on, bulls. Let's go, bulls. Let's go, bulls. Let's go. I'm getting up. Yeah, that was weak, bro. I mean, we could sit back and wait and hold, see what happens. Hey, but it's holding. We're retesting pre-market high. Going with smaller size. Retesting pre-market high. Too many buttons to be clicking for Robinhood, man. Let's see. I have to get out already. New candle to the way down. Are you gonna bounce? Break. It looks like you're gonna break. Break, 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 break. Stab. Close. Where are you gonna close? Where are you gonna close? Where are you gonna close? Close it below. I'm out. I close above. I'm holding. Close above and then you open below. Damn. Stop out below that candle. Slow. Oh yeah. Shit. None of it is working out. Look at all the rectangles I drew. None of them worked out. None of them also would have fit within the breakout. Well, maybe like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Yeah, this one would fit in the beginning. That retest, man, that shit was crazy. can feel your heartbeat, heartbeat, come. Alright, it's failing to go higher. I think we're gonna see it short soon. Ready to see a break. I'm just saying, it's failed to go higher. I'm trying to build a bullish case, I mean bearish case. Always trying to, which is kind of dumb. Kind of. Broke that, broke that, broke that. Nothing. What about bear side? Broke that, nothing. Didn't hasn't broken that. No. It's a top area. You know what? Pre-market high is my stop. I jumped the gun. I did jump the gun. Absolutely did. I absolutely jumped the gun. And I'm ready to get out and pay the price for it. There you go. Pay the price. There you go. I pay the price. $30 that I paid the price for that stupid entry without reaching confirmation, which is really dumb. Like, why are you getting in without confirmation? Really, really reckless, bro. This time, let's wait for confirmation. Ah, out of buying power. 200. Holy man. Ran out of buying power. How about that? Close below, close below. There you go. Close below it. Let's see. Let's watch it go all the way to 0% line. What can you make? What can I make from this? 12 times 32 all the way to 22, 12, 120 maybe. A little bit more. But yeah, if it works out, $120 will be what I make. Could stop me out too. Do whatever the heck it wants, bro. I don't control the market. I just vote, bro. I just vote. Let's see what's gonna work, what's not gonna work. Fuck you. Fuck you, bro. What the hell? Now you wanna? Oh my god. I got spooked out, man. That is and I don't have no more buying power. Bullshit, man. Absolute bullshit. God, man. This is just fucking ridiculous, bro. Tesla's so dirty, bro. It fakes me out, does these little skips. What the? I never seen skips. I mean, I've seen it here, but dude, like what? Rejects this top trend that should have broken a long time ago, and then now you decide to go lower. Wow, just incredible, dude. Like the market, yeah, would have been nice, bro. Would have been nice. One, two, three, get out. One, two, three, get out. One, two, three, get out. But I don't know, man. This pisses me off, man. Look at that. What I was waiting for to see happens, but it fakes me out first. Oh, my last to buy buying power is in this. I only have $100 here, and I'm up 22 now, less 17. But let's see if it goes down to I don't know 0% line. It it's frustrating, guys. If you, this is frustrating as heck, but it's part of the deal. Go wash my hands. Let's see, any obstacles? Like Spy is dropping too, but Spy, I don't know what it broke off of. Failed the VWAP, failed 0% line. That's about it. That's all I see. But I'm gonna go to work, or should I just wait till 8 to see it through? Cause it could take forever. It could take I don't know, like till 8:30, maybe 9. I could cook something in the meantime. Let's see. This is like a candle block. You also gotta be ready to sell. Now we're only up $8. Yay. Uh, shit. It appreciated a lot because it did a fast move. What did I buy it for? 82. Market. The middle is messy. I don't know how it's gonna reach zero, but I think it's gonna reach zero. Um, where did I get in? I got in really late, like right here. I'll get out here, bro. Like honestly, is it gonna reach zero? I think it is. Not. It's just entertainment purposes only. Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. I want to step away, but it's hard. Oh my god. Why? Yeah, it's gonna take a long time. And the longer it takes, the contract depreciates, the delta depreciates, theta increases, implied volatility kind of decreases. I mean, it's tricky, man. I mean, I got in late. I got faked out. Faked out. Do I have conviction to the 0% line? Yes. One. Get out of the way, buyers. Get out of the way. Sellers coming through. Sellers coming through. Get out the way. Come on. Sellers coming through. All right, I got out. I got out. I got out. It's gonna keep going lower, bro. It's gonna keep going lower. After showing you that you're right, you decide to get out, which is very bad. Like, hey, you're right. And I'm like, get out. Instead of like, okay, let's continue to be right. I mean, it's pulling back, but still, I think it's gonna go lower. Remember, the middle, I can't predict what happens between entry and exit, entry and target. I don't know how it's gonna look. It's gonna look crazy, emotional. Um, I just gotta pick the right spot to get in. I got stopped out because I I got stopped out. Crazy, like, spooked out. I guess I don't know. I don't know what it was. I was in the restroom. In the restroom. I mean, I have no more buying power bro, at all. Like I have nothing to. There's no broker I can use right now to try to make some money. Like it's just. I mean, what can I just gotta leave and go to work. Go do my Uber job. Go fucking work, man. Oh well.